Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily steal a ball in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the homepage of NBA Live Mobile. So the first thing that we're going to do is pick a mode. For example, I'm going to click on Live Today, and after that, click on uh, any mode that I want to play. Click play again, and then just wait for the match to load. As you can see guys, now the match has loaded. So now I'm gonna pass the ball to my teammate. Right now we need to give them the ball to show you guys how you can steal the ball from the other team. So for example, I'm just gonna give them the ball. I'm gonna click on shoot. And then they will take the ball. So right now, in order to steal the ball from them, just go to the player that holds the ball, and then you need to click on steal. So I'm gonna click shoot again, for example, and then just go to the other player, and then click on the guard, hold to guard, and tap to steal. As you can see, guys, just tap it in order to steal the ball. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.